शौमिक शौमिक यार 10 बज गए यार 10 बज गए यार उठना यार महाकाल टेम्पल बुला रहे देखो यार उठ जा यार उठ महाकाल टेम्पल जाना है हाई करना है देखो वहाँ देखो कौशिक और काट डाओ हिलना उधर भी जाना है उठना यार उठ
So finally we are going for breakfast at Cavender's. It's not closed today. I'm so happy it's not closed today. So we have finally reached Cavender's and I have been fantasizing for a pork hot dog since last night and
pork hot dog bhalo
I guess so.
So pork hot dog nahi milta
I'm a huge fan of hot dogs actually and in Kolkata you do not get a lot of good hot dogs. So I'm going to try one of their specialty out here, that is the pork hot dog. Today it is going to be try of a food review of this amazingly popular and amazingly prominent place in Darjeeling, that is the Cavender's. I think everyone who comes to Darjeeling has an idea about how amazing this place is and how popular this place is. We were very disappointed with the food we got at Gleneries the last day. So I'm trying the bacon and cheese macaroni. The food is okay-ish, not extremely good or anything. But
too hard.
the beef.
I'm -11 out of 10 bhai.
I think we are slowly, starting to get disappointed with the food we are having right now. And I'm really hoping it is not going to be the same today. The food is going to be good and the view
Fantastic.
is not going to be good.
Foggy, misty. Last day in Darjeeling.
Last day in Darjeeling.
Until next time. Tati tol.
কখন তোলা হয়ে গেছে? Two new faces in our hostel and two new faces in my video. They are also from Kolkata. Hi. আমি তোমাদের নামগুলো তোমার Anupam, right? Pritam. Anupam and Pritam. Both from Kolkata, and most of the people who comes to Darjeeling are from Kolkata or from Bengal. Like only they are from Agra. The first people I met who came from Agra to Darjeeling. Food is here. Food is here.
देखो सब्जी वाला अलग पता चल रहा है ब्रो
ये किसका?
ये उसका.
चिकन सॉस এটা हॉट डॉग ये बेकन
Sausage with bacon.
खाओ बेकन खाओ
मुझे भी खाना है वो सब.
इसका लेने कैसे
Pork hot dog for me. किसको कैसा लग रहा है?
सब्जी वाली चीज
नॉन वेज खा लो यार केवेंडर्स में ये बहुत अच्छा मिलता है यहाँ पे सब जगह बनता है अच्छा नॉन वेज
I like this. এটা কি platter এটা?
चिकन सॉस एंड
Omelette.
सॉस बेकन एंड फ्राइड एग
I'll take that as well.
डाल दो ना उसमें
Heaven.
क्या भाई
Heaven.
भाई हॉट डॉग खा
This is
रहे
like heaven.
कैसा है नहीं
डिलीशियस भाई
तो ऑमलेट खा ले
Hi. Veg hot dog.
ऑमलेट इज गुड
Omelette is good.
ऑमलेट में कुछ होता भी नहीं है यार
ऑमलेट में खराब कैसे हो सकता है एग तो कौन है बेकन
How is it?
मैं अभी हॉट चॉकलेट
चॉकलेट शेक
तो हॉट चॉकलेट
सॉरी हॉट चॉकलेट
मेरा भी हॉट चॉकलेट था
5 हॉट चॉकलेट में एक ब्लैक
मेरा ब्लैक कॉफी
ये बेटा ब्लैक कॉफी पागल है भाई
प्लाटर नहीं है प्लाटर में आपको ये वाला होगा
ये हमको यही चाहिए प्लेटर में सोशल पे नहीं हाँ एक 1 प्लेट
If you are coming to Caventus, don't forget to try the pork hot dog
And the veg.
and the veg hot dog. Don't try that.
अरे एक खा लेते हैं
वही मैं बोल रही हूँ
एक बेटर है
हमने खा लिया
The taste is like out of the world. I'm not even kidding. This is like 1000 times better than Glenary's.
मैक एंड चीज हाँ
तुमने क्या ऑर्डर दिया? तुम भी वेज हो?
It's been, I mean, like 2-3 months.
Like Caventus, you do not get a view, an amazing view like the Glenary's, but then when it comes to the food, it's like on a different level. Surprisingly, they have not used a full size sausage inside the burger and inside the hot dog, but they have like crushed it and minced it.
So, how's the food?
मेरे लिए तो 11 out of 10. Like, this is like super amazing. I was very hungry since last night, so it is tasting even better. But then
Salty.
I can totally guarantee you guys are going to.
So, these are the beverages, huh?
Hot chocolate for everyone, black coffee for me.
मेरा भी आ गया क्या hot chocolate? So, guys, these are the friends we made at hostel. अपना नाम?
मेरा नाम शौमिक
आयुषी
रंजल
This is the vlogger himself.
अनुपम
प्रीतम
And I'm Chandan. Hi.
भाई हॉट चॉकलेट भाई
So the hot chocolate in
पास करने का सबको
Caventus is equally famous. Like सबको try करना चाहिए. Just that I cannot have milk. For that reason I cannot have.
गरम भाई बहुत गरम है ना
But not many options available, right? Beverage.
Sugar. No, they are so famous for the hot chocolate that they do not have any other option. That's my coffee actually.
ऐसे ही मीठा है ज़्यादा मीठा
तो तुमने क्या ऑर्डर किया था बेवरेज?
ये सेम
This one? This is whose?
एक्स्ट्रा दे दिया क्या
I ordered hot chocolate, not Complan.
ये कॉम्प्लेन पता नहीं है कॉम्प्लेन
So guys, this is the last day. Everybody's last day. Oh, this too. So all yeah, including me. Last day and last day. हाँ.
भाई इटा वो कैंसिल कर दीजिए पेट पूरेगा जवाना हमारा
मेरे को पता नहीं है मैं रॉक गार्डन घूमूंगा सोच रहा था बट आई लेट्स सी मैं तो इवनिंग में
चलो go to Dow Hill.
नो 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 आई डोंट वांट टू गो
किसी को नहीं सबकी फटती है यार
नहीं पड़ती नहीं यार मैं जा चुका हूँ ये तो क्यों
क्या बोल रहे हैं
सबकी फट रही है यार जाने में
इनकी तो फट रही है बहुत
किसी को देखना ही नहीं यार
यू गाइस आल्सो गोइंग
हाँ?
डाविल
जाना चाहिए था
सुबह
यार
जाने में क्या है यार
अबे हेडलेस बास्टर्स घूमते हैं ऐसे रोड पे
ऐसे स्ट्रीट्स में ड्रैगन होता है
डेथ रोड बोलना ठीक है
डेथ रोड यार वहाँ पे एक स्कूल भी है यार हम लोग देखेंगे जाके वहाँ पे
वहाँ पे 3 टाइम्स वो बोलने का ब्लडी मैरी ब्लडी मैरी ब्लडी मैरी कराएगा
मैं वो स्टेटन बोलूँगा ना
यहाँ से मिलते हैं कांचनजंगा का व्यू
हाँ मिलता है इधर से
कांचनजंगा
So on a good day and on a clear day, you will be able to see a good view of Kanchenjunga from here. Today is not a good day and today is not a clear day.
लग रहा है फटती किसी से कमेंट
But it's kind of starting to clear up.
बेकन का करो भाई
More food for us.
चलो कल ঠান্ডা জলের মধ্যে স্যুপ না কফি মিশিয়ে ভেজিটেবলস পপড আউট
अरे है. How is the veg burger, bro? Good.
just like normal veg burger
कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें
Not very exciting.
आलू पेटी हॉट डॉग में आलू पेटी
मुझे भी लगा कि
It's the result of not having dinner at night, and you know you can have as much breakfast as you want, and we might actually skip lunch as well. Vaishali ka lunch for us.
heavy breakfast no?
Yeah. Then you can save a lot of money on lunch.
फैक्टर देख भाई सुंदर लगे देखते भाई फैक्टर है
platter
हाँ सॉसेस बहुत सारा दिया इसमें
Better than the hot dog.
ऑब्वियसली भाई ना बेकन तो बेटर है ऑब्वियसली भाई
আমার তো hot dog টা হেভি লাগলো.
बेकन ना बेশি खाওয়া যায়
Bacon, sausage, fried egg
Sorry,
combination.
stereotype.
They do not have a name for this, but this is like a combination of all three. How satisfied are you with the food?
Man, it was good. I mean, like I'm a vegetarian, so you know, it was okay. But this place is famous for bacon, sausage, and all that.
And hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Now I really think I should have actually come a day or two earlier to Caventer's because I became a fan of this place. It's so amazing, the taste and everything. The ambience is also good, and the most important thing is very affordable. Like the pork hot dog is just 90 bucks. Bacon, sausage and omelette is 170 bucks. The very famous hot chocolate is just 90 rupees, and my coffee is around 70 or 80 rupees, I believe. So it's a pretty nice deal. It's a pretty good deal. Like, you know, most of the food that you get here is very tasty, but it is quite cheap and affordable. They gave me coffee full of this, and that is like 3 cups of this. Loads and loads of coffee. I'm kind of liking it too much because of the food and the experience and the vibe that I'm getting to feel out here
ऐसे तो पैराग्लाइडिंग मनाली
with them.
होती है ना, बट मनाली तो
আমরা কি করছি এখান থেকে?
Going to Dowhill to see some headless bastards. And
You might not leave the tail, you know, after you visit. You
जब तुम
might.
जाओगे ना तभी I'll believe कि you'll be going.
we are going, yaar. We are going. Chalo, let's pack up, yaar.
We are not going.
अबे
It's
जाओ
almost
भाई।
it's almost 12 o'clock. We are not going.
Kota baje, 12 baje.
So he's also a content creator and he has his own channel on YouTube.
Yeah, guys, the name of my channel is Chandan Sharma. It's been just 1 year, and then if you want to get to my channel, you have to search with Chandan Sharma Sikkim. So I make travel content. So if you like my content, please consider subscribing. Thanks, man.
So you don't have to search for it. I'll just put a link in the description below. Go ahead and check that out. Check his channel out. He has been making for 1 year now. Chal, nice time.
हो यार भाई छुट्टी से
छुट्टी खत्म, स्कूल शुरू.
स्कूल टा शुरू होतो भाई.
एक तो नजदीक लगे.
Hoy, that ZNMD dialogue. छुट्टी खत्म, स्कूल शुरू. Kind of had the best food today. Kungma was good. Kungma is actually here only, but this is really amazing. Much better than what we ate at Denny's. आपने यहाँ से कोई शॉपिंग किया?